come along with me today as I unbox this CoopCrate. Yes, it is a subscription box for chickens. Every box that you get, you help another chicken. They put its little picture there. It's pretty cute. And it's just like, it's a little assortment of treats and toys. And the girls were curious about it right away as soon as I put it down. This rosemary herbal health booster, I thought that was interesting. She talks about the benefits on the package. And then the soldier fly larvae, they love those already, so I knew they'd like it. This little rattle is meant to train them to come to you when you call them. And then something for humans. Chicken feet gummies. Creative. I've never seen a brush for chickens, but it exists. Biscuit wasn't sure about it at first, but keep watching. The next thing I pulled out was this little info card. It was actually really useful. I'm going to keep it with the other chicken supplies in the garage on the shelf just for reference. And then this sticker that I immediately put on my MacBook. Sausage realized she was late for the black soldier fly larvae party. That's a mouthful. The whole entire box could have just been those, and I think that they would have been happier. So I also tried giving them the rosemary health booster. At first they weren't so sure, but you can see they kind of smell it, think about it, and then a few of them start nibbling, and they seem to like it. You're supposed to give that occasionally for all the different benefits that it has. These are the chicken feet gummies for humans, not pets. Root Beer was curious about them. They tasted really good. The kids liked them too. So you can see, I tried the brush again, and she really settled into it, and she ended up letting me brush her for a little bit and kind of got comfortable on my lap, which was super cute. The rattle, they weren't so sure about. I mean, this is my first time using it with them. You can tell it gets their attention. So I think if your chickens aren't trained to come to you yet, it would be a really useful tool. And then I decided, since it was pretty, to go ahead and clean my coop. I have the Eglu coop and run from Omelette. And I wasn't doing a deep clean, I clean it every 2 weeks and then deep clean it once a month. And this was just the regular clean. I got all my supplies, my mask, goggles, natural kind of soap, gloves, all the things. So this coop opens in the back. It is so predator proof, you guys. I love it. I don't have a single complaint about it. The tray there pulls out. As you can see, I've got it propped against the fence now. That's where I keep the straw bedding. And then that gray grate on the right also comes out, and the left is the nesting box, and you can close that divider between them if you don't want them to like sleep in the nesting box, which keeps it a little bit cleaner if you do that, but I don't bother with it. So yeah, I'm just going to give it a nice wipe down. I got rid of the litter. A con for this is I can't, maybe somebody else is able to do it. I can't do the deep litter method in this because the tray is just too shallow to do it. So if you're going to compost it, you have to compost it off separately to the side. You can't do the compost system within the coop. Once it was clean, Goose was very happy. All the chickens checked it out, and it was a good day for them.